Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, morning again. Daddy Gorgan, look here. Me see your comment on my video. And you say what you say, but here what me have to say to you. You send 2 barrels to Jamaica, that's nice. That's awesome. You get me? And me see what you say. You pack barrel with your own money, that's good. Yeah man, do something good. But me see what you also say. The money where COLAZ Smith I use for do what I do, I YouTube money and people I said money go give. If I YouTube money, him use a fee money because I him go on YouTube, go put out him video them and do what I do and get paid. So him I use fee money also. And the people them where send money go give him because them trust him enough, that's why them are sending money go give him for help the Jamaican people them. If they never trust him, they wouldn't send the money to him. But you're mad because the people must send the money to him. And you know what my biggest thing to you is? Judge not and let not he be judged. You are one of these people who sits on the outside or stand on the outside looking in and judging what's happening on the inside, what people are doing on the inside. And that's not nice. Stop standing or sitting on the outside looking in and judging what's happening in people's place or what people are doing. Because you wouldn't want nobody sitting down on the outside or stand on the outside looking in judging you. But you know what? This is typical human being. You are a typical human being who is low-minded just like the rest of people who thinks like you. And you know the next thing about it, Daddy Gorgan? You used to talk about COLAZ so well. And because you and the man have whatever disagreement, you start dragging him through the mud. With friends like you who need enemy. It's a sad thing, you know, when people get up, keep on talking about you in a positive way, and then because of some disagreement that you and them have, you start bashing them, you start dragging their name through the mud. You have the worst things to say about them. It's really sad. This is life. People do have disagreements. But why in the disagreement or after the disagreement comes the hate? You start hating on the person. Why are we like this? And you say you're a man of God. But why spreading hate? God don't hate. God don't talk about hate or push hatred or be bashing his people and dragging them. God forgive them and love them irregardless. Because no matter what we do, no matter what we say, God forgive us. Once we seek his forgiveness, he forgive us and he move on. But clearly you spreading pure hate. So what type of Christian are you? What type of man of God are you? That means you're only fooling yourself. Stop fooling yourself and get to know God properly and be the right man of God and stop spreading hate and start dealing with love. We lack of love. And you are lack of love. Because if you wasn't lack of love, you wouldn't be doing what you're doing. You wouldn't be dragging another brother name through the pit like that. And talking the worst things about him. You would be positive. Or if anytime you feel like you're coming across to say something negative or bad about somebody, it's best you keep your mouth closed as a man of God. And go pray and ask God for forgiveness. Because even our mere thought make us sin. So, change your ways, Daddy Gorgan. And be the right man of God here. Anyway, my people, now have a blessed day, yeah?